Hello to all Jeev. Welcome to Ekataa. I hope you liked my previous video of mom and dad baby shower props. So today let's see how to create generic props for baby shower celebrations. Ta-da! So these are few props. Let's begin with the procedure. Supplies: you will need cardboard and marker, blue and pink chart papers, scissors and cutter, wooden cocktail party toothpicks, adhesive, glue gun, printed small design tape, cutting mat, which is optional. Now, first take a cardboard and cut two pieces of these shapes. Cut two pieces of this, but the mirror image. Once the cardboards are ready, take pink and blue chart paper and cut the papers in the defined shapes. Now paste the cardboard and the paper with the adhesive like this. Once all are fixed, take a marker and draw the border. Now it's time to join cocktail party toothpicks. Our props are almost ready. Take printed design tape and wrap it to the party toothpicks. Here I have taken pink tape for the pink colored prop and blue for the blue prop. Now we are finally ready with the props. Happy celebrations!
So, how was it? If you liked the video, do give thumbs up and comment below. And if you are new to Ekataa, do subscribe to Ekataa and click the bell icon tang tang to get regular updates. In the next part of baby shower celebration idea, let's see how to create some more new props and few games to play. Till then, tata, bye bye, sayonara. Stay safe. Bye bye. These are few of these